Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about switch case in JavaScript. In last video we discussed about multiple if-else statement. Similarly, if we want to pass multiple condition we can use instead of multiple if-else we use switch case. For example, this is the syntax. I'll just write, wait. Okay, first we provide switch and then expression, and after that we provide curly bracket. First case, we use case here instead of if else if case, and provide the condition 1, then colon, and after that we provide the statement. After that we provide break. At break we provide case, condition 2, colon, again statement, and then break. And after that we have third case condition 3, condition 3, colon, statement, then break. And after that we have a last case which is default, colon, we don't have any condition for default, and statement. Okay, we don't need to define break after default. Okay, here what is the meaning of break? Why we use break? If case 1 is true, condition 1 is true, then it print the first statement, and after that if we remove this break, then this condition check and this statement print, and after that this condition check if there is no break, this condition check if it is true, then this statement print, and we print the default also. We will see in practical implementation. Now I just remove this and print this condition, which is nothing but this is weekdays, and according to day's name it print the today is Monday, today is Sunday, today is Wednesday. Okay, now let's see, save this and see the answer. You can see this is Sunday and it print today is Sunday. If we remove this and print Monday, now let's save this. You can see this is true and print Monday. Or if we remove this break from all, now let's remove from. Okay, now let's save. You can see today is Monday, it is true, then it is printed. Now just give clarification for. Okay, now let's save. You can see today is Monday, today is Wednesday, Tuesday, today is Wednesday, today is Monday. Again, we don't need Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. Now let's see. Okay, today is Thursday. This is how our break stop the flow of the switch cases. Okay, that's why we use. Now just change this Thursday. Save this. Okay. After that we declare a variable. Now let's just remove this, and now we declare a variable where a equals to 10, not 10, let's a equals to 5, Now we provide switch a case 1. If a की value is 1, print document dot write a is 1. Then break semicolon. Now I'll just copy this and paste 5 times. Now just format with the help of format. Now after that we have default document dot write invalid number. Now just save this invalid number. Why? Because we didn't change this. 2, 3. If none of them run, then our default run. Okay, this is how it works. Now just removing this case. Now let's save this. You can see a is 1. Why? Because we didn't change 5, 4, 3, 2, 2. Now let's save. If you change this value to 4, save, you can see. If we change for 7, now let's save. You can see these all statement are false. That's why our default run. Okay, this is how we can use switch cases in JavaScript. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.